Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a special request from my son to draw a Roblox noob. So if you'd like to follow along step by step, I will show you how to draw it. So to start, I'm just going to do a straight line across for his torso. And another straight line slightly diagonal down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And another straight line to connect the two lines together. And then another line here for the shoulder. And we're going to come down again to here. And then we're going to attach this line together. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side for the other shoulder. And I come back down here. Slight little curve on it for the arms. And now we're going to continue with the legs, so one straight line down below the torso. And then another line coming down here for the other side of the leg. And another line here coming down for the other leg. And then we're going to connect these. And the same on the other side. Now we're going to draw the head. So, just a circle here. Two little dots for the eyes. And the smile is like a V shape. And there you have it. Now we'll go ahead and color it in. Start with the green pants. Now I'm drawing the pants green. You can, coloring the pants green. You can color them any color you like. You can get as creative as you like. You can add designs to it. And just have fun with it. Next I'll be using a yellow for the arms and the head. And then blue for the shirt. Go ahead with the blue. Alright, and there you have it. There is a Roblox noob. My son will sure be happy when he gets home to see this. But thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more drawings. Thank you.